Sometimes, if you are working as an IT help desk engineer or as an IT service desk engineer, and you are being told to actually pause a Windows update because your system admin is about to deploy the monthly patch update to all the devices, and for some reasons, maybe some specific device actually production device, there are some processes that are being actually run on that device, and the manager of that department does not want that device to actually get restarted. So because sometimes when you install updates, it will actually trigger or require that device to get restarted for the update to be completed. So how do you actually pause an update? So for example, you can see we have the option called pause update for 7 days. When you click that, you can see it says resume update, pause update for 7 days or more. Right now, update has been paused. So what you can actually also do is if I go to the advanced option, under the advanced option, you can see we have some say receive updates for other Microsoft products when you update. You can see all these are actually turned to off. We can also change the time. Say pause update till until this very day. That's the 22nd of March. But we can actually change that day to. You can see we can actually extend it to almost the end to like the 19th of April. So you can actually play with this date, or we can actually just go up and just change it to just like 3 days or even just for one day, because we want that process to be analyzed and run for till the next day before the update can be implemented. So that is how you actually pause the update, or we can actually stop the device from even installing updates for a very long time. What you need to do is the following. So I will need to go to just tap services. Here you can see we have the services app, so click on it. So by clicking on the services, what we need to do is, let me just click on standard, and here we're going to actually search for Windows Update. Here you can see we have Windows Update. At this moment, it's actually running and is being triggered. So if I double click on it, you can see at this moment, because actually I'm not starting the Windows service as an administrator, that's why I'm not seeing this option. So what I need to do is, let me just close this, and I'm going to start Windows Update as an administrator. Let me close that. So let me go again to my start menu and enter services. Here we have Windows service. So I'm going to right click and then run as administrator. So you'll be asked to actually provide your credentials. Just enter your password and then hit yes. So when you open Windows, the Windows service as an administrator, so let me just search for Windows Update again. Let's double click. Here you can see we have the option to actually stop or start Windows Update. So what I can actually do is actually to disable the Windows Update service and then click OK. So by doing that, Windows will now actually be disabled on this device. You will not be able to actually install or search for updates. So if I click resume, it will actually, you can see that I can't actually even, when you try to check for update, it will not actually, it will try to check for update, but it will not install the update, or it's not going to actually find any update, because it's actually the Windows Update service that grants this the Windows Update access to the internet to check the website of Microsoft to be able to download the update. So the update is going to be blocked on this device. So next, what we'll be discussing is about File Explorer. I'm going to take you through File Explorer in Windows 10 or Windows 11.